What if I told you saving $10,000 isn't about earning a six-figure salary? It's about following the right system. Today, I'll show you the exact 6-month blueprint that transformed zero savings into $10,000 and how you can adapt it to your own life. 6 months ago, my savings account was almost empty. Bills kept arriving, expenses kept growing, and it felt like getting ahead was impossible. But instead of hoping things would magically change, I made one decision that changed everything. I created a financial reset, a simple, step-by-step blueprint to take control of my money. That blueprint became the foundation for saving my first $10,000. The first thing I did was track every single dollar, every paycheck, every bill, every subscription, every takeaway. It all went onto my financial blueprint. That's when I discovered the real problem. It wasn't that I wasn't earning enough. It was that small money leaks were quietly draining my future. Once you know where your money is going, you finally have the power to take control. The goal wasn't to stop enjoying life. It was to stop wasting money on things that didn't matter. I canceled subscriptions I never used, cut back on impulse spending, cooked more meals at home, and started shopping with a plan. Every dollar I saved wasn't a sacrifice. It became another building block toward my $10,000 goal. Small changes, repeated every day, created results that completely changed my finances. Saving $10,000 wasn't about luck. It was about having a plan. Instead of focusing on one huge number, I broke the journey into 6 manageable milestones. Each month had a clear objective, from cutting unnecessary expenses and building better habits to increasing my income and automating my savings. One step led to the next, and before I knew it, small, consistent actions were turning into real financial progress. That's the power of following a blueprint. Cutting expenses helped me save more, but increasing my income accelerated everything. I looked for new opportunities to earn through freelancing, online business, AI tools, selling digital products, and building valuable skills. Every extra dollar had one job, not to fund a bigger lifestyle, but to grow my savings faster. When you combine smart spending with higher income, your financial progress starts to multiply. One of the biggest changes I made was taking myself out of the equation. Every payday, a portion of my income was automatically transferred into my savings before I had the chance to spend it. I didn't have to rely on motivation or willpower. My system did the work for me. That's when saving stopped feeling difficult and started becoming a habit. Automation turned consistent deposits into steady progress, bringing me closer to my $10,000 goal every single month. The hardest part wasn't earning more money. It was resisting the constant temptation to spend it. Every day, there was another sale, another upgrade, another reason to buy something I didn't really need. Instead of chasing short-term satisfaction, I stayed focused on my long-term goal. Every purchase I skipped became another deposit into my future. That's when I realized that every dollar you don't spend is another dollar working toward financial freedom. 6 months after I started, it finally happened. My savings reached $10,000. It wasn't because I won the lottery or suddenly became wealthy. It happened because I followed the same simple blueprint every single day. Budgeting, spending with purpose, increasing my income, and saving automatically all worked together. Reaching $10,000 wasn't the finish line. It was proof that consistent habits can create extraordinary results. Saving my first $10,000 wasn't about being perfect. It was about following a simple plan and staying consistent, even on the difficult days. If you remember one thing from this video, let it be this. Small, smart decisions made consistently can completely change your financial future. Start with your first dollar, trust the process, and keep building your own blueprint.